In the world of high-speed motion, the most critical force isn't the one that moves us forward. It's the one that brings us to a safe, controlled stop. This is the unseen assembly of a high-performance hydraulic brake caliper. Safety begins with a perfect seal. First, we install the piston seals. These specialized rubber rings aren't just for leakage. Their unique square profile provides the rollback action that pulls the pads away from the rotor once the pressure is released. Next, the muscles of the system. The pistons are inserted. Precision ground to micron tolerances, these cylinders translate hydraulic fluid pressure into thousands of pounds of clamping force against the brake pads. Now, we establish the fluid path. The bleeder screw and internal channels are finalized. This architecture allows for a bubble-free hydraulic circuit, ensuring that every millimeter of pedal travel results in an instantaneous response at the wheel. Finally, the friction interface. The brake pads and their stainless steel hardware are locked into place. These clips ensure the pads remain silent and aligned, ready to bite into the rotor at a moment's notice. The assembly is complete. The clamp is set. From 100 miles per hour to a dead stop, it is a masterpiece of fluid dynamics and friction, built to endure the heat of the chase. If you want to see the hidden engineering that keeps the world moving, like and subscribe for more unseen assembly videos.